In this video, we'll delve into the power of AI-assisted recipes, demonstrating how effortlessly you can generate code simply by providing prompts. Let's get started. First, click on the dataset block on the canvas to open the side panel. Next, click the plus icon and select the AI-assisted recipe from the side panel. This will open the Ask AI tab, where you can input your text prompt to generate the code recipe. To specify the output type, type /a symbol in the query box and select from options like dataset, chart, or text. We shall select dataset here. If nothing is selected, the platform auto-detects the output type based on the entered query. Enter your query in the provided query box. For example, you can ask the AI to concatenate two columns by typing, concatenate the first underscore name and last underscore name columns, and add a new column with the name. Once your query is ready, click the Generate icon to let the AI do its magic. You can see the AI-generated output for concatenating two columns. If you want to view the generated code, click the View Code icon. Now, click plus Recipe to add the generated recipe to your data pipeline. You can customize the name of the recipe before clicking Add to Recipe. Before saving and running the recipe, it's essential to test it. Click Test, and select your preferred testing option to run the recipe on the full dataset, 100K rows in the dataset, or 1 million rows in the dataset. You'll see the test output dataset in a new tab, allowing you to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Now, navigate back to the Ask AI tab and click Save to save the recipe and then hit the Run icon to execute the recipe and generate the output on the canvas. Head back to the canvas to view the output. Click on the dataset block to open the side panel, where you'll find the output dataset with the additional column resulting from the concatenation process. Click View to explore the dataset created after concatenating two columns.